Hello and welcome to this video. Just a quick reminder of what we did during a hackathon this weekend. So we did the Hackathon of Wallonia, and what we did is an application that allows in augmented reality to put some anchor, and this anchor collects some data from several people that work on the same project but at different time of the month, and that need to work together by sharing files. And so when you have people who don't want to speak together and that want to work together, I think that Git is the best solution. So it's what I did and what I tried this weekend. So to give you a bit of an example of what it could give, here is the engineer guy that will launch the application on his PC, like this. And the engineer has notified some stuff. For example, here on the pipe, he said that the pipe will be a problem, and the pipe will be a problem because blah 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 blah. There is some text over there, and if you click, you can see an image here of, okay, this pipe is a problem. Okay, if he want to modify what he said, he comes here and he said note it was resolved. We fixed it up, fixed this. He closed up like this, and basically it means that now it's saved over there, so it will be sat all the time. He leave the application up like this. Okay, and I forgot to do something that commit and pull when he launched the application. What I mean by that, I will show you. Here you have a button where you can put who you are, up, your mail address, engineer@gmail.com, up, the pipe was fixed, like this. And when you press save and send, it basically do a save, an add commit pull push that will save the information of your data over there. So git status, to show you a bit how, if it's done, git status, something, nothing to, okay, so nothing is over there. So now I can check on here, and if we check the history of the Git project on this building, we can see that for the moment, 6 seconds ago, someone did something. So apparently he worked 8 minutes ago, and he said that there's a problem on the pipe. But recently he said that it was fixed. So you can have the information of what file he modified and what he did say about it. And here, if you click here, you can see that apparently he said that it was fixed and it's not a problem anymore. And that's the coordinate of the point, the anchor point. Okay. So now that the guy worked on the mesh, you can read it on GitHub. So GitHub is, if you don't want to pay, you can use Git and GitHub. If you want to pay, a client would, if this company should exist, you could have a host for every client to avoid having your data that can be hacked or accessed by GitHub, or because you can have some service here that are more like you want and not like GitHub. But the idea is to show a bit the power of Git and GitHub. So here, now we simulate the other clients. So we leave this application, pop. We go on the other folder. So this is the other PC, the one of the architect. He come here, he launches the application. The point is not over there. He save architect. Come. Hey yo. Change, save. Okay, he save and send. I need to put some code that reload the information, but here, as you can see, it's not reloading because hackathon are really short and I did not program that. So I will just leave and relaunch the application for refreshing the information. And ta-da! So now the architect has the mesh, and he sees that there is a point here, and oh my god, the pipe were fixed. Nice! That it was resolved, we fixed it. So as you can see, you have the information that's synchronized from file to file. in this demo, I don't have the log because here I had a logger, but it was not finished, so I removed it. But basically, what happened is that you could have a log here that show the work of everybody and at which time. And the idea is to put a scroll that allow you to see who did what when on all the Git period. And we could have the same for the modification of your file here, maybe to fetch in the Git what the file was looking, and so the information here. So there's plenty of work to do. Basically, it's doing a wrapper of Git. So everything you could do with Git could be able to be implemented in this application. And so yeah, that's the idea, the power of Git. And why I'm doing that is because here the Lynx, that is an open source Oculus Quest with augmented reality, if I have to resume it, will be out in some months, and I really hope to implement this kind of communication backup system to talk with the Lynx through MQTT server, because here you don't have Git on Android except if you do plenty of manipulation. So I will have to implement a server that is communicating with the Quest and that is pushing those data on the Git. But it would give the possibility to just visit a building, push on the Quest if the Quest have better stuff, or on the Lynx if the Lynx is really good, and have them on the Git. And the Git would synchronize with the team, and it means that you could collect data of a building really quickly and synchronize it with the architect without even doing effort. So yeah, a really good idea. That is just a simple prototype, not a big stuff, but here it works. For example, here you have a frog, a beautiful frog, near the hole. So hope you enjoy. Have a great day. See you later.